Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a secret box that you might not even know exists. This is from Cheryl's Cookies. This is a cookie brand and they send out like gift baskets like you would send someone flowers. So the reason this box is kind of like a little bit of a hidden deal is that it's not a monthly subscription box, it's a one-time box, and this is actually their sampler box. It comes with 6 cookies and they usually charge $8 for shipping, but sometimes I've noticed around like holidays and stuff, they'll do like Valentine's Day bundles where you'll get the 6 cookies and they charge you $10. So it's usually between $8 and $10 for 6 cookies. Now that might seem like a lot, but if you're just trying to send someone like a small thank you gift or like a small keep up your good spirits gift, like this is absolutely perfect for only $10, and their cookies are beyond delicious. I've also noticed that when it comes to holidays, they will put out special bundles. So normally the regular 6 cookie thing that you can purchase all the time has like your regular snickerdoodle, sugar cookie, chocolate chip, like, you know, your basic cookie flavors. And then around the holidays for like Halloween, they'll have like a ghost shaped cookie that you can like choose to have like the box with 2 ghost cookies and then your other 4 regulars. But for some reason, because it's springtime, I guess they did a box that has 6 unique cookies in it, and I've never seen them do the 6 unique cookies before in the sampler box. So I wanted to show you guys all of the cookies in this box. They are so gorgeous and they are such unique flavors. I would have never thought to have made cookies with these flavors. So our first one is Buttercream Frosted Strawberry Sugar Cookie. So I believe this is a little more basic, and this is what their regular sugar cookies look like, but this one should have strawberry flavored frosting. Buttercream Frosted Key Lime White Chocolate Cookie. That sounds so good to me. And this next one is so cool. It looks like it would be chocolate chip, right? No, this one is a blueberry muffin cookie. Then here we have our Buttercream Frosted Lemon Burst Cookie. They really outdid themselves with the icing flavors this time. This one is Buttercream Frosted Orange Citrus Cookie. And then finally, this one is Buttercream Frosted Peaches and Cream Cookie. So all of these look incredible, and the way you can find this box on their website is to type in the search bar either the word free or the word sampler. If you type in either of those words, you should be brought to the little 6-pack sampler of their cookies that they normally send out. And when they do their like unique seasonal 6-packs of cookies, it will also show up there. I did notice today when I was going to see if this box was still available that this box is not currently available, but this regular 6 flavor of cookies is. And I'm sure the next time that like a holiday comes around or they do another round of specialty cookies, there will be another more unique box of 6 cookies. So it's definitely something worth checking out, to keep an eye on. And like I said, if you need to send someone a cheap gift in the mail, these are $10 shipped. And they also let you do a free gift message on top. So it's better to do this, in my opinion, than to send like a card or something in the mail where you'd pay $10 just for shipping alone. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please consider hitting that like button and subscribing, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Bye.